Welcome to our home. As the format of this house tour may differ from that on other videos, please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through our house. During takeoff, ensure your shoes are neatly stowed away. We recommend sitting comfortably throughout the visit whenever the Netflix sign is turned on. If there is a drop in energy levels, a fresh brew will be served in front of you. Secure your coaster before placing the mug down. Power plugs are located under your seat or at the side of the sofa. Lightweight electronic devices are welcome on our charging docks. Mobile phones and tablets can be set to flight mode to spend the moment together. If your device drops into the gap between the seats, refrain from adjusting the seat and ask us for assistance. There are 2 emergency exits in this household. Take a few moments to locate your nearest exit, which may be behind you. In the unlikely event of an emergency, stay calm and assume the seated position. If you can reach the cupboard beside you, grab one and continue on your business. Before using the evacuation door, remove any lingering smells and be sure to leave everything behind. We remind you that this is a non-smoking household. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is prohibited throughout the house, including the balcony. Thank you for your attention. On behalf of ourselves, we hope you have a great time watching this video, as well as our channel or anywhere else in the world we take you.